Okay, let's take a look at this watchmaker's lathe. This is Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. I've got this nice little watchmaker's lathe. I think it's fairly early. Quite a bit of stuff come with it. Let's take a look at what we got here. There's your pulley. This thing here, the headstock, it's got a cam lock on it. And it's indexable with a little index pin there. And we got the cross slide. We got the we've got the chuck. It goes in with the collet adapter, which unscrews. We've got these bezel chucks. A nice selection of collets. Got the saw table and saw. Got the steady rest, or whatever you want to call it. Goes in there. Got a nice looking bed. Doesn't seem to have too much issues with it. We got this thing here, tailstock. We got this that goes in there. Got more. I got a taper system in there. Got the little handles for tightening up those two things. Got a drill chuck. Only thing I can see, there's some numbers on the end of the headstock. Some numbers there. Well, there you have it. What you see is what you get. It is, of course, we'll be more than happy to share it with you. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, you're better off to do it poorly than not at all.